welcome back to the channel. I just want to show you guys really quickly my low maintenance or low manipulation go-to hairstyle when I'm in between protective styles. Really quick and easy, and you can wear this for days or weeks on end until your next protective style sets. So I'm going to show you. I just re-wet my hair. I just wet it in the sink. That's literally all I did. So some of the curl definition could come back. I put in some leave-in conditioner, some oil, and just a little bit of gel for my edges, and it's just a half bun. So I'm going to show you how I do my half bun. I'm using the Shea Moisture Defining Styling Gel. You can use any gel. If I had Eco-Styler, I would use that too. If I had Talie Wahid, I would use that too. That one works really well in my hair, but just use a gel that works well in your hair to lay your edges. Your hair doesn't have to be like perfect to do this style. Like my hair is still a little tangly right now. As long as you can like put it into a bun, you should be good. And then I put some on the back, just a little bit. Now take a scrunchie, preferably a new one, so that it's really tight and small still. You can use one that's been stretched a bit, but if you do, your front edges might not be as sleeked and pulled back. You don't want it too tight, obviously, but you do want it so that the front stays slicked back. And now brush your hair into your one free hand. This is my free hand. Brush, brush, brush. Try to get all your hair into, and then just smooth out any bumps. Honestly, it doesn't have to be perfect, and that's why I really like this style, because it just looks like super effortless to me. I feel like this is the definition of natural and it's cute, and you didn't have to do much to it. Okay, now take your hair tie and tie it around once for a ponytail, like all the way, put it all the way through. Make sure no strands get like lost in between. You know, making sure like all the hair is put through. Okay, and then we're going to turn it to get ready to do a second ponytail loop. Now, what you're gonna do, I take it and I start to pull it through and push like the hair that's at the top right here, like into the ponytail holder. And push it through to help it kind of get the hair through. Make sure you make it even on both sides, like push from here and from this side. And then this is the part where you just like play around and have fun and figure out like how you like it. So you can stop here, or you could put more hair through and have less hair out at the top, but essentially you're going to put it in a half bun. So like I didn't finish pulling my hair through the second loop of that ponytail, which leaves some of my hair out. And then you could just kind of zhuzh it a bit, I guess would be the word. And then there'll be like some, like these pieces are more defined, so I like to like leave them out, or sometimes I'll try to make them a bit more defined than they already are, so it's like gives it some personality, if you will. And same thing on this side. See? Like, I don't know, to me, that's just super cute. If you're like me and you have short pieces at the front that won't lay down because they're like actually this big, you could just put one of these clips in, like those mini clips, to keep them laid a bit. Also, you can lay your hair down with a scarf for like 5 minutes, and that'll help too. Yeah, so that's it. Also, you do get a different look if you put your hair a bit higher up and then do a half bun. It looks closer to like the Hawaiian style buns, and that one is also super cute. Or you could do it like super low. I think this style is super cute. This is literally my go-to style every time I'm in between protective styles. And yeah, I just wear this until it's time to install the next style. So try it out if you already haven't. Like and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram and on TikTok, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.